Hey YouTube, let's do this Culture Club song. This is the intro. G, D, E minor. 2 times. And then they go into the verse. All right, let's talk about the rhythm, and then we'll go over the chords. The rhythm is 1 and a, but it's more like 1 and a, 2 and a. There's the accent is on the and. And you just keep your hand going like this. The rhythm is actually 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. It's like 16ths divided into each beat is divided into 4 parts, and then you count that 1 E and a. So it's a you got 1 and a, right? And what you do is when you back off on the strings and just mute them, you get the scratch sound, and then when you want to play the beat, you push down on the frets. And so what I would suggest, if you're having trouble with that, is just do it real slow. And just work your speed up. But you got to get that muting and playing sequence though. And I'm just playing like the top 3 strings. I'm just playing like the G, B, and E strings mostly. All right, the chords. So the intro is the same chords as the beginning of the verse. G, give me time, D, E minor. We're just playing it with just kind of like an open feeling. All right, those are just regular chords. And then we go into the verse. It's a G, C, E minor twice. That's 1. Repeat. Then we go C, G, A minor 7. Then we go finish on the B minor 7. Then it goes back, that repeats. But after the second time, I think it goes to a bridge. So we're on the B minor, and then it goes C to D. You want from me and take it away. Just the C to D. And it goes back into the verse. Alright, the verse repeats, and then the last time they go to the B minor, from the A minor 7 to the B minor 7. And then they go to, I'm going to play this as a D minor. C minor. This is that little kind of breakdown section. And then they go, the bass plays that. It's that the chord would be a G minor, But that little riff is played on the 5th fret on the D string. 2. Go to the A string 2 times, and then to the 6th fret on the low E. So, and then it goes on back to the A string. It goes 5, 6. You hammer on and pull off. And then it goes back into the. That's the sound. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.